What are the latest updates on the U.S.-Israel war on Iran? 2026. What are the latest updates on the U.S.-Israel war on Iran and Israel's attacks on Lebanon? The situation is escalating with new strikes and military responses that could change the balance in the Middle East right now. On May 20 and May 27, 2026, the U.S. carried out multiple airstrikes targeting southern Iran, including a base near Bandar Abbas used by U.S. forces. Tehran responded by downing a U.S. drone and firing at a U.S. fighter jet. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, claimed responsibility for targeting U.S. bases in retaliation for these attacks, signaling a tense escalation between the two nations. Israel escalated its military campaign by carrying out more than a dozen strikes on Lebanon's southern city of Tyre since midnight on May 27. Al Jazeera reported that at least 7 airstrikes targeted densely populated neighborhoods within a single hour at dawn, raising concerns about civilian casualties and regional spillover effects as Israel intensifies pressure on Hezbollah-linked areas. Iranian officials have accused the United States of engaging in both overt and covert operations aimed at provoking conflict. Tehran claims these actions are intended to justify further attacks on Iranian territory. The downing of a U.S. drone and firing on a fighter jet reflect heightened vigilance against what Iran calls aggressive U.S. military maneuvers in the region. The intensification of military operations by the U.S. and Israel against Iran and Lebanon raises serious concerns about escalating regional instability. The dense air strikes on Lebanon's populated areas and retaliatory Iranian military actions increase the possibility of civilian casualties and broader conflict. This volatile situation threatens to draw neighboring countries into a wider confrontation. What this means for you is the risk of this conflict escalating could disrupt global oil markets and international security. Staying informed helps you understand how these tensions might affect energy prices and geopolitical alliances. Subscribe for daily updates as the situation develops rapidly in the Middle East.